Hello, I'm Michael Outzorn, Dean of the Webb School of Engineering. Thanks for taking a few minutes out of your day to watch this video. Hopefully it gives you some idea of what goes on inside the Webb School of Engineering and the programs that we offer. Inside the Webb School of Engineering we have two departments, the Department of Computer Science and the Department of Electrical and Computer Engineering. The Department of Computer Science offers a Bachelor of Science in Computer Science, and you can also take that with a concentration in cybersecurity. It also offers a Bachelor of Arts in Computer Science for those people who are interested in double majoring between computer science and some other discipline. The Bachelor of Arts just has slightly less math and slightly less computer science. Inside the Department of Electrical and Computer Engineering, we've got a Bachelor of Science in Electrical Engineering and a Bachelor of Science inside Computer Engineering. You'll hear more about those programs shortly. Graduates from the Webb School of Engineering are builders and creators. We apply the principles of science and math to solve other people's problems. We make the world a better place. Inside the Webb School of Engineering, we offer small, personalized classes. You'll be in classes of around 20 students or less. You'll have great one-on-one contact with a faculty member, not with a teaching assistant. You'll get to know them and they'll get to know you. They're always accessible and there to help. We also have world-class facilities. You'll see some of that shortly. In addition, we operate within a liberal arts environment. What that means is you'll get access to life skills, professional skills, interpersonal skills that will really supplement the professional and technical skills you get within the degree. That makes you a magic asset for employers who are really looking for that skill set. I would also be remiss if I didn't say that we have Steve Wozniak as our innovator in residence. Woz is on campus on a regular basis, and he gives presentations for the students to enjoy, and he also makes himself available for students who have ideas. If you're a creator and a designer and you have an idea for a potential product, you can't do any better than to sit down with Steve Wozniak for a short period of time, explain your idea and get some thoughts and ideas from him as to what might improve your product. You can't do any better than talking to a co-founder of Apple, which is now one of the world's largest and most successful companies. Now I'd like to introduce you to Will Sushan, the Chair of Computer Science, and Claire McCullough, the Chair of Electrical and Computer Engineering, to let them tell you a little bit more about their programs.
Hi, I'm Claire McCullough. I'm the founding chair of Electrical and Computer Engineering at High Point University. I'm very excited to be here, to be able to put together a totally new program from scratch, the way I think it should be, with great equipment and great people and a really strong focus on the students, is something I am tremendously excited about. And I hope that you'll be excited about it too. This lab is our makerspace. Actually one of two makerspaces that we have in the engineering program. This is used to support everything from our freshman design projects to our final senior capstone projects. We have everything in here from 3D printers to a laser cutter to a computer controlled router. I'm even putting in a sewing machine that can be computer controlled to do embroidery. So it's not just about creativity in the things that people stereotypically think of as engineering, it's about fostering creativity in everything that we do. And we have the things here to help you do that. The first project that you'll do here in the makerspace as freshmen is a Rube Goldberg machine. Rube Goldberg was an artist back in the early 1900s who drew pictures of doing incredibly simple things in incredibly complex ways. Your Rube Goldberg machine can be made from anything from springs to balls to Nerf guns to dominoes, whatever you can find. It'll have at least 12 steps to do a very simple kind of project. Last year, the students did everything from putting ice into a glass of sweet tea to dropping a stylus on a phone to call the guy's mom. We'll also be using this for our freshman design projects. Each group of students will do a design project which will have a customer, which will have a product. And the reason that we have so many different kinds of materials and equipment here in the makerspace is that we want you to be free to create something really interesting, something that catches your imagination, not just what we think is important.
My name is Dr. Will Sushan, and I'm the chair of the Department of Computer Science here at High Point University. Today I'd like to tell you why the computer science program here at High Point University is so special. You can expect a quality education with people who care about you and the best equipment around. We have 4 basic programs in the Department of Computer Science, and I'll talk about each of those. First, we have the straight Bachelor of Science degree in Computer Science. The Bachelor of Science degree is based on national accreditation standards, so when you graduate with this degree, you can expect to go directly to a job or directly to grad school. And I've had students tell me how nice it is that grad schools recognize that our program covers all those things that grad schools are looking for their entrance. We have graduates out there at places that you expect, like Microsoft and Google and Apple, and places you might not expect. But if you've been awake for the last 20 years, you'll recognize that computers are everywhere. There's not a discipline out there that doesn't use computer science. We're glad that you want to be a part of that. We'll start out with basic programming classes, programming in a high-level computer language. We'll move on to things like data structures, algorithms. Eventually, you'll have choices about what classes to take. You can take classes in networks, operating systems, artificial intelligence. We have an entire breadth of courses out there that are available to you. We also have a concentration in cybersecurity. I'm standing right now in the cybersecurity lab. I dare you to find a better one in the country. This lab is brand new and fully outfitted with the latest in cybersecurity technology. Graduates with cybersecurity background are in very high demand. Estimates 3, 5, 7 million empty jobs in cybersecurity over the next 3 to 5 years. Employers are desperate for people with this education to come in and help shore up their defenses. That's what this program is all about. In addition to the Bachelor of Science program, we also have a Bachelor of Arts degree in computer science. The Bachelor of Arts degree is designed specifically to be paired with other programs. We have current double majors in graphic design and computer science, theater and computer science, business, entrepreneurship, game design. All those fields dovetail nicely with computer science, and those people who graduate with that double degree in another discipline of computer science are very, very competitive in the marketplace. For those of you who are interested in something else that don't have time for a major in computer science, we also have a minor in computer science. Our minor lets you explore a lot of different options. You can do a minor that focuses on cybersecurity. You can do a minor that focuses on web design. You can do a minor that focuses on software development. All of those are available to you and more in the Department of Computer Science.
What makes our engineering programs different from other sorts of schools? There's a big debate in the engineering community as to whether we should be training engineers or educating people. Here at High Point, we are educating people who are also going to be engineers. Here you will not only have a first-class engineering education with first-class equipment and professors, but you will also have those life skills to be able to speak well, to be able to write well, to understand the value of entrepreneurship to engineering, to thoroughly understand the ethical implications of everything you do. Another thing that we can offer that those big schools cannot, here every student has a success coach. I've never seen that at any other university. If your child is having trouble, someone will notice. Somebody will get in contact. We will offer your child all sorts of resources that other schools cannot. It is our goal to help your child succeed. Your undergraduate student, that is what we are interested in. That is our main point. That is what we are passionate about.
I'll tell you that there are lots of programs out there that have lots of fancy equipment. We've got rooms full, as you see behind me, of Apple computers. We've got Alienware computers. We've got big screens. We've got dual monitors. We've got everything you could possibly want in computers. What makes us different is the people. The faculty here who really love teaching computer science. You won't find a teaching assistant, a graduate assistant. Every day in class, it's you and me. You can't hide. I'm looking at you every day to talk in class, to be part of the experience. It's an experience to be shared, experience that you will, with your classmates, learn together. We have all our tutors right here in the department area, right? You can go to class, you can come down, eat your lunch, sit with a tutor, and get all the help you need. And instructors are right around the corner, and we're always happy to help. While we know that any good computer science program is a lot of work, we believe that it is so worth it in the long run. Our graduates are in very high demand, and we don't anticipate that changing anytime in the future. It seems like this computer thing is going someplace. We want you to be a part of that. We've got the education and the tools here for you to excel in that future.
I'd like to thank you for watching this video. Hopefully we've answered some of your questions. If you have any other questions or need more information, please visit our website at highpoint.edu, and we're always there to help and answer your questions. Thank you.